Hi, my name's Jacob and this monologue is called Burping in the Classroom. I've been burping in the classroom since I ate my lunch. We had beefy, cheesy tacos and I gobbled down a bunch. Can't you hear my belly rumble, full of that greasy taco meat? Can't you hear all the girls whining? Your breath smells like your feet! Tacos taste so swell, but they make you smell. It's those spicy beans and meat. When you eat a bunch of that zesty lunch, for sure you won't smell sweet. Someone needs to tell the lady when she cooks our lunch today, please leave out the grease and spices so we can go out and play.